and welcome to another in the Arm What Is Program series. In each episode, we dive into a tech topic to give you insight and perspective into some of today's hottest design trends. I'm Brian Fuller, Editor-in-Chief at Arm, and today we're going to find out what is Arm DevSummit. And to help us with that, I want to introduce Robert Wolf, who is Senior Manager, Developer Ecosystem Evangelist with Arm's Infrastructure Group. When he's not helping us understand what is Arm DevSummit, Robert is an electrical engineer who enjoys volunteering and working with STEM programs in his area. Let's dive right in. So, Robert, what is Arm DevSummit?
Arm DevSummit is more than just an event. It's a developer experience. And this 3-day virtual conference will serve up insights into the latest technology trends, give you an opportunity to level up your skills in technical sessions and hands-on workshops, and offer up the chance to meet like-minded software developers and hardware designers, all focused on sparking the world's potential with Arm technology. With over 1,000 partners, millions of active developers, and over 180 billion processors produced to date, the Arm ecosystem is one of the world's largest vibrant technology communities. It's also the community that is setting up the agenda for a secure future powered by AI, IoT, 5G, and sustainable cloud computing.
And how is Arm DevSummit different from Arm TechCon?
So Arm TechCon had an amazing run, though its focus leaned more towards hardware designers and their business objectives. While this is still very important, it was clear that we needed to share this focus with those who were building on top of the Arm technologies out there. And this is when the software developers come into play. So enablement is key. And without the vast ecosystem of developers, much of what we do or what we're capable of doing on Arm now and in the future would not be possible. So Arm DevSummit offers the perfect balance between hardware and software so attendees can enjoy a bit of everything.
Very good. So is Arm DevSummit virtual or live this year?
So this year, it's a virtual event, but with a bit of a twist. There are several components that allow for a very engaging experience with folks at Arm and your fellow developers around the world. We'll have areas for gaming, fun interactive experience, and of course, many opportunities to learn from industry experts around the world about your favorite Arm tech and software developments.
So is it free or is there a fee associated with it?
This event is free, so you can go register now. It's free, though there may be some associated costs for certain workshops. Now, the bright side of this is that these workshops usually include a hardware component that's shipped to you, and you get to keep this hardware for yourself forever.
Now, if I'm a hardware engineer or a software developer, why would I attend Arm DevSummit?
I think the question is, why wouldn't you want to attend? It's the world's biggest ecosystem of developers and spans everything from IoT to cloud. That's end to end. So it's an end-to-end experience with learning components and fun opportunities to engage with your fellow developers. So why wouldn't you want to be a part of where tomorrow starts?
Now, what are the hot topics this year at Arm DevSummit?
So Arm DevSummit is going to be covering just about a bit of everything, as I mentioned earlier, from the endpoint all the way up to the cloud, high performance computing. So we have multiple tracks from cloud native development, endpoint edge and cloud development, looking at the future of mobility and how we see it software defined, developing interactive customer experiences, practical software development for IoT, Internet of Things, AI in the real world. So not just kind of theoretical views of what AI is capable of, but actually applying AI into the real world, from development to deployment. Hardware design, of course, keeping true to, the heart of what Arm is, looking at hardware design and methodology, and then optimizing Arm technology for high performance compute, cloud, 5G infrastructure as well.
Well, that sounds like a really packed agenda. Thanks so much, Robert. We're really looking forward to Arm DevSummit this fall. Now, to register for Arm DevSummit, please visit devsummit.arm.com.